Hello guys, i-share ko lang tong pinaka-the best na napuntahan kong hotpot sa may Ximending, Taipei. February lang yan nung nag-trip ako. Medyo pricey pero solid naman. Madami kang pagpipilian at unlimited pa. Meron silang vegetables, seafood, meats, dessert at iba't ibang klase ng mga drinks. Maximum 2 hours kang mag-i-stay para kainin lahat ng gusto mong kainin. I wish I could go back there again. Reward yourself, sabi nga nila, and I know I deserve it because I work so hard. Kaya in-enjoy ko ng bonggang-bongga ang trip ko sa Taiwan. Especially foods. Foods is life. Share ko lang tong hotpot food trip namin. Hotpot pa mo!
Wow.